Hey everyone, have you ever struggled to take in what you have read in your textbooks? It can be really hard to absorb all that information and make it stick. Well, I'm here to help. At least I'll try. I'm going to share some tips on how to absorb textbooks like a sponge. First, you need to create a plan. Create a steady schedule that works best for you and stick to it. Work out how much time you can spend each day or each week learning and make sure that you break it into smaller chunks. This will make it easier to stay focused and absorb what you're reading. Next, create an ideal learning environment. Find somewhere that encourages learning, such as a library or a quiet room. Minimize distractions from your environment, such as your phone, TV, computers, Netflix, sometimes maybe. Make sure you have good lighting and use a comfortable chair. This will create a conducive environment for learning so your brain can switch into a learning mode. Another top tip is to use the SQ3R method. The SQ3R method stands for survey, question, read, recite, and review. This is a great way to ensure that you're taking in the material efficiently and can remember it later. It involves surveying or scanning the text to gain an idea of what it is about, questioning the material to create an understanding of the context, reading the text carefully, reciting or summarizing the text, and reviewing or revisiting the text at regular intervals. By doing this, you will be able to take in more information and remember it later. For more interactive approach to learning, you can use flashcards and quizzes. Write an important information on separate cards and go through them regularly. Quizzes can also be great. Finally, don't forget to get plenty of rest and fuel your brain with nutritious foods. Make sure you maintain good sleeping habits and invest in healthy eating. This will ensure your brain functions at its best. So here you have it, my top tips on how to absorb textbooks like a sponge. Hopefully this has been helpful and has given you the motivation to tackle your studies head on. Good luck. If you did like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.